This is the life of Bobo Bobo.
What?
I don't think anybody else will go and look and someone sold their peas on them.
Brad is home this morning, and he went to look for his peas, frozen peas, which he loves, and I took them and sold them. He doesn't think that this is a common problem. I sold them for the bird food. Where's Coco?
She's on the other side.
Uh-oh, here comes Mr. Poncho.
Oh, hello, Newman.
See how long it is before cooking. It's always exciting when Dad comes out. Is around, eh?
Hey,
So
hello,
much
Newman.
excitement.
Hello, Newman. How's Newman? Hey, hello, Newman. Yeah, come on. Attaboy. Yeah. Attaboy. Good boy, Newman. I got you
Three things of blueberries.
Yeah, they look small, so.
Did you hear that, Rue? All those blueberries are for you. I can't believe those strawberries. This is what I got out of 2 quarts of 2 of those things of strawberries. This was the left. 2 of those plastic containers because they were all bruised.
They're all bruised?
And they were $6 per thing,
Yeah.
right? And that's wholesale.
Yeah, no, I know.
So this is a $12 bowl of strawberries.
Yikes.
It's getting crazy. What are you doing? Cookie came out to see Dad.
Hello, Cookie. Hey.
Now that's your bag. Don't let Dad take it.
Hello, Newman. Hey. Yeah.
Oh.
Aw. Oh, someone's jealous. Oh, did that upset you, Cookie? Huh? Should I not be throwing that piece of cardboard over there?
Hi. Hi.
Hey-oh. Look at that. Just like
That's much better. He's walking.
Actually, yeah, I know he's doing really well, isn't he? Compared to what he was. I mean, he was just driving that foot before. Okay, here's your cantaloupe, Dan.
Hi. Hi. What do we got, Coco?
Good thing.
Don't bite, Dad.
He bit my toes.
Don't let him go for your ankle.
Yeah, I know.
That would hurt.
Yeah, it would. No, he really went for it too.
I know. It wouldn't end well. For both you two.
Yeah.
For Cookie and Dad.
Yeah, that's right.
The knee-jerk reaction, I'm afraid. Oh, you're so tough.
Oh,
Cookie.
hello. Hello, I almost stepped on you.
You're not allowed near that fence, by the way.
Right now?
At all, ever. It belongs to Cookie.
Okay, well.
Hi.
Well,
Hi.
I've got some time. Well, Dad's gonna make his own some pasta sauce again this weekend because those tomatoes are. Oh, should have got small tomatoes.
Well, you're full of energy today. You're usually dragging butt. What's going on?
Well, I'm not working overtime. 2 days in a row, I haven't worked overtime, right? So that just sucks the life out of me. All that work I've done. It really does. Like it really is like.
How's Princess Coco? Oh, you're quiet. How's your tail? Looks good.
This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo.